My dad is a graduate of Prep. He graduated in 1949, and he would often say in his later years that Scranton Prep taught me not only how to make a living, but really how to live.
We're trying to help students understand what it means to be academically rigorous, to be a good reader, to be a good writer, to be a good analyzer, to discuss a topic openly and sensitively, and to ask good questions. In terms of what really matters, students are heard and understood. They're encouraged and supported to be the person they were meant to be.
Any person can come to Prep to find who they are and where they belong and what they want to do.
There's always another student there who will help you because everyone here is just willing to help each other and grow.
The idea of going to a school when you don't know many people is very intimidating. You get really nervous and it's just like, oh my goodness, am I going to fit in? The Prep community here makes it so easy to be a friend.
They call it the Prep family. You don't really realize it at first, but now that I'm a senior, I really see it that everybody really cares for each other and just wants the best for everybody.
This is a place where, yes, we will develop a student's intellectual capacity and gifts, talents, and abilities, things they don't even know that they're good at or like yet. But we're interested in so much more than that. You end up finding your people here at Prep.
It really doesn't matter who you are or what you're interested in, there's a place for you.
One of the foundational principles of a Catholic and Jesuit education is that our gifts as humans, gifts, talents, abilities, are given to us so that they might be shared with other people. And one of the ways that we teach that to our young people here on Wyoming Avenue is by asking them to engage in acts of service.
If you've been on a service trip before, I think the part that's really amazing is watching the change in the students and the participants in the trip.
There's a lot of people there who need help. And so just seeing everyone's faces when we were helping them, it just made me realize how nice we have it and how more we need to do for our community.
Life is about relationships, and so is Scranton Prep education is about relationships, and that's how we prepare our students for life.
Once I finally step out of my comfort zone, I feel like Prep has shown me that that is when the most memorable things happen, and that is when change happens, and that is when growth happens.
There are all kinds of young people who come to school here every day. I promise you that in this building of 700 students, your people are waiting for you.